Welcome to my honest review of Rahal hair transplant. If you're considering a hair transplant or looking for effective hair restoration solutions, you're in the right place. Rahal hair transplant offers a variety of services to address hair loss, from advanced hair restoration procedures to personalized consultations with experienced professionals. The website provides in-depth information on their services, including the latest techniques in hair transplants, as well as detailed descriptions of the process. The site is well organized, and it's easy to navigate. They clearly explain the process of hair transplants, including consultation, surgery, and post-procedure care. You can even find patient testimonials and before and after images to help you get an idea of what to expect. It's worth noting that while the website does offer a lot of great information, some sections feel a bit generic, and it would be helpful to have even more real-world examples or insights into the experience beyond just technical explanations. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. What I like most about Rahal hair transplant is the transparent pricing and the clear explanation of each step. The site emphasizes personalized treatment plans, which makes the process feel more tailored to individual needs. However, a downside might be the cost, as hair transplants can be expensive depending on the extent of treatment required. If you're looking for affordable options, you may need to compare prices with other clinics. Overall, Rahal hair transplant offers a great service, especially for those seeking top-notch hair restoration procedures. If you decide to go through with a transplant, make sure to research and consult with professionals to ensure the procedure is the right fit for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on hair restoration services. Thank you for watching.